Well, good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, actually. It is now about 12:15. But I am out on the Pumpkinvine Nature Trail, the part of it between Middlebury and Shipshewana. I wanted to get out and see some fall colors, and I think I'm going to see them. As you can see, there's quite a few leaves falling. It is chilly. It's 55. I've got my electric vest on. I got gloves. And I'm going to do it. This might be my last day of bike riding this year. It's getting colder every day. It's only supposed to be a high of 59. As you can see, it is a little busy. And some of these colors are beautiful. The sumacs are really nice. I hope we're getting to see some of this. There's some orange sumacs. Well, as you can see, I am bundled up. I got my hood on, my electric vest, and then I put my hood underneath my helmet. My ears are cold. I just don't understand how some people are riding out here. There's a guy going by. He's just got a t-shirt on. There's kids with just t-shirts and shorts. It's 55 degrees. It's chilly when you're going at 10 to 15 miles per hour. If you've never rode a bike when it's 55 degrees, you don't know it, but it's chilly. I remember way back in the day, 40 years ago, I had a moped, and I drove that thing all over the place. Drove it at night, to work, all around the place, all around Battle Creek and Calhoun County, actually. Anyways, in the middle of the summer, if I rode that moped, and I could only get that thing up to about 25 miles per hour. I could get it to 30 if I was going down a hill, but flat out, with me on it, 25 miles per hour. Anywho, when I had that moped, if it was August and it was 95 degrees out in the day, if you rode that thing at night, after the sun went down, going even 25 miles per hour, it could be a little chilly. You had to have a sweatshirt on. I mean, no, you weren't going to die or freeze to death, but to be comfortable, put a sweatshirt on. Hi. Hello. There's people out walking today. It's a beautiful day. Really. Weather-wise, it's beautiful. So, that's all I got to say. Gonna come on your left. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello. Hello. Well, I'm leaving the trail and going just a short distance down here off the trail, down this road, to the Chief Shipshewana Memorial. I see the sign. I've seen it on the internet, and it's up here somewhere. It said it was 800 feet. There it is. Right here, the Chief Shipshewana Memorial. Whoa, I made it. Oh, look at that. Well, I'm up here to the Chief Shipshewana Memorial, and there is a flock of turkeys. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. But this is the memorial. He's right here. It says, in memory of Chief Shipshewana and his band of Potawatomi Indians, removed from this reservation September 4th, 1838, and escorted to Kansas by a company of soldiers. 1 year later, the heartbroken chief was allowed to return to his old campgrounds on the banks of the beautiful Shipshewana Lake, where he died in 1841. Shipshewana in Indian language means to have a vision of a lion. So there you go. That's the Shipshewana Memorial. Well, let's get back on the trail. It's just a hot skip and a jump up this way. And let's get over to Shipshewana. Well, there's some nice horses out here. Just enjoying the sun. Let's see if we can get an interview with one of them. Hello, horse. What's your name? Horse? Hello, horse. Oh, well. They're not talkative today. They're just hungry. So, anyways, this is what you see on the trail. There's all kinds of farms and horses and cows and things. So, each time I ride it, I see something new. Hello. Well, I did make it to downtown Shipshewana. It's very busy today. Well, I'm leaving Shipshewana. You would think I was a local. I've had 3 or 4 different people, 3 I guess it was, ask me how to get places. And luckily, I knew where one of them was. I just got asked where the Performing Arts Center stuff, and because of my brother Dave Fudd, I know where it's at. Otherwise, I'd have said right here in town. But I know it's just about a half a mile south of town here, I believe it is, south. I pointed him in the right direction. But anyways, I'm going to get on the bike trail, which is right here, and head towards Middlebury. It's been a nice ride. I've got 2 cinnamon and sugar JoJo pretzels in my bag, taking it home to Mary. Hello. And hopefully they'll be fresh when we get there. This road's busy right now. There we go. Okay, here we go. And we're off. I'm coming on your left. Have a great day.
You too, thanks.
Yep. Well, I can honestly say it is a beautiful day out here today. We've had some really nice weather this fall. More sun than rain for sure. But it's getting colder. Coming on your left. Everybody's really friendly out here on the trail. A lot of Amish people. They all seem very friendly. Wave at each other, say hi. Everybody I've passed is generally friendly. I haven't had anybody not. Everybody's here out having fun. They're minding their own business. Coming on your left. Hello, hello, hello. Well, we're back to Middlebury. Here's Dairy Queen, and my car is parked at a little different place, just about another 5-minute ride. Beautiful day out. And I am now back at the car. Well, I am done with my ride. I do hope somebody watched the whole thing, but if not, I'll tell you why I'm making these. I'm making them for my own fun, and I'm also making it to learn more about making videos, working the equipment, and it just takes time. It really does, to do good stuff. And the software, it's all lot to learn in that. So I just make the videos and I post them, and if somebody watches them, I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody that watches them. But anyways, that's it for today. It is, like I said, it's Saturday, October 26th. This could be my last ride of the year. It's just getting too darn cold. And one of these days it's going to get cloudy and rain and snow. So, hope you enjoyed the ride, and we'll talk to you later. GoPro, shut off. GoPro, stop recording.